Hi folks, I'm on a real tear about talking about great things for the holidays in Santa Fe, the city different, New Mexico, the land of enchantment, and two things that are near and dear to all New Mexicans and Santa Feans' hearts are two traditional foods for the holidays, Biscochitos and Tamales. Biscochitos are the official cookie of New Mexico, and they are enjoyed all year long, but especially at Christmas time. And everybody believes that their grandmother makes the best ones, and in fact, I'm sure they do. Biscochitos are kind of like shortbread cookies. They are, the thing that makes them so different and so tasty is they use anise or anise, I never know how to pronounce that, anise seeds, cinnamon, orange, and of course you've got to have a lot of butter in there. And some people make them big and thick, and some people make them wafer thin. They are absolutely delicious to have with a hot chocolate or perhaps a little glass of port or whatever you want. And you can get them all over Santa Fe. Of course, you can make your own, but I like to just go out and figure out where the best ones are and buy them. And some popular places to get them in Santa Fe. One is a favorite place of mine called Tres Colores. It's right downtown off of the plaza, and they're open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, but you can order Biscochitos from them, and they're absolutely delicious. They're a great stocking stuffer, things to wrap up and bring to friends when you're going over for a holiday event. They're absolutely delicious. Another great place is the Santa Fe Biscochito Company, so in the name you know it's got to be pretty darn good. And then the Chocolate Maven, which is over off of San Mateo, and is they have great pastries, great chocolates, great cakes and pies. They're also open for breakfast and lunch, and they make amazing biscochitos as well. So you can't beat any of these three places for the official cookie of New Mexico and the official holiday cookie of New Mexico. Now on to tamales. Tamales are enjoyed also year-round, but definitely during the holiday season in Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, and Mexico. And they're especially enjoyed on Christmas Eve. And families have tamale making parties, preparing dozens and dozens and dozens of them. And tamales, if you're not familiar with them, it's actually a steamed corn husk, and then you use masa dough, and then you stuff them traditionally with pork. You can use chicken, you can do almost anything you want, but pork is the traditional one. And then you have a really great red sauce over them. Now, when I was a kid and we had moved to Texas from the East, I was invited to a friend's house for dinner, and I didn't realize you're not supposed to eat the corn husk. So that was a real rookie move on my part, and quite funny for the family to see me trying to chew the corn husk. But tamales are absolutely delicious, especially at Christmas time. Now, three great places that you can buy them here in Santa Fe are Posa's Tamale Factory, and you can buy them by the dozen. People love them. Posa's is a great northern New Mexican restaurant as well, so that's a great place to buy them. A favorite place of mine also is Palacios, which is right next to my real estate office here in town, right just off of the plaza on Palace Avenue, hence the name. And then another one that I haven't tried, but I've read good things about and heard good things about, which is Alicia's Torteria. Say that 3 times fast. So another great tradition, and I say go ahead, pour yourself a glass of Gruet, a wonderful Santa Fe bubbly, and enjoy both some biscochitos and some tamales. And Feliz Navidad and Prospero Año to all of you. Happy holidays, y'all.